Hey, so today we ultimately we want to go to the Bangkok Auto Show. I think it's the Motor Expo. It doesn't open up until noon, so we're going to go somewhere and get some breakfast. Pook, we have the niece with us now. Pook and Nikita both want to go get a massage this morning before the auto show. And then after that, we'll go to the auto show around noon. And then after that, I don't know where we're going. But yeah, we'll see you out there. So we are at the Foreste Café in Nonthaburi, just right outside Bangkok. I found it on Google, so who knows what it's going to be like. Usually Pook picks the better places. So let's see it. Oh, they even have little Christmas trees. There's Nikita and Pook, of course. That's it right here. Whoops.
Over there. From the coconut
Okay.
water. You smell like the coconut water? Or?
Yeah, there was like a dollop of like coconut.
So how much was this, Pook?
320 baht.
For all of ours?
Yeah.
The food? 320 baht, so about 10 bucks.
Wait, hot.
Hot, hot, hot. Nice and runny. You usually get things runny.
I just noticed that as I looked around.
And we got another nice little building back here. Sounds like it's air conditioned. Oh, okay. Oh, we got Santa Claus trying to come up here. Look at it. They got a floating snowman there. We're at Healthland. Nikita wants her massage. I think we go here every single trip. We go here. Pook and I are creatures of habit. Probably not the best lighting, but we are here at Healthland, like I just said. Pook and Nikita are going to get a 2-hour massage. I think Nikita's going to get whatchamacallit, an aromatherapy with the massage. And then I'm going to get just a 1-hour foot massage. So altogether it was 2,600 baht. So what is that? 70 bucks or something like that for the three of us for 5 hours of massage? Not too bad. But Pook and I, like I said, we come here almost every trip. Alright, we will see you later. So Pook and Nikita are still in there getting their massage. Anyway, from here, I think they said they want to go to eat. I'm trying to look at my phone here. But I want to get to the Motor Expo show. And today's the last day of the show. It's a holiday. Imagine there'll be a lot of people there. Yeah, but I want to go check out some cars. Check out some cars. I guess bikes too. Anyway, we're in the neighborhood of both places we want to go eat and the Impact Arena, so we'll see where we end up after they get done. I still have about a half hour. All right, we'll see you in a bit.
No, not right now. Thank you. I'll just do water.
มีเป็นตำข้าวโพด
Have to go back and look at
This is Portuguese.
the prices. Oh, new menus.
This is I make in Thai Anna.
There's always room for ice cream, though. That was 982 baht. How much would I say? $32? 30, whatever. $33. $32. So we're off onto the cruise show now. Here we are, Impact Challenger, Bangkok Motor Expo 2025. Hook and I are still looking at this one. I don't like the big windows like that, Poke. What is this? Nissan Trail? Look at this thing, Poke. It's kind of like your Wish. You like this? Oh. 2.69. So many people. Let's go this way. 2.29. Is that a little over 10,000 bucks? $3.1 million baht. Let's see, how much is this? Oh, look at this. You like this? It's at less than 20,000 US. I think these are all electric though. I don't know. Elite motor, Audi. You could turn that into a camper. How much is this? Oh, the slide on campers. 3.6, so over $100,000. Okay, we'll use that for the thumbnail. Are they giving? What?
It's a hybrid too.
Yeah, I think this is a hybrid. What? There's too many people here Too many people. Ooh. This, oh, cherry. Another Chinese. Hook said she'd get me one. That'd be pretty pippin'. What do you think, Pope? Look at that. Suzuki. Ooh, Royal Enfield. Oh, Harley Davidson. Too much. I don't see that. Poke, do you see the price on these? Okay, that's it for the 2025 Motor Expo show in Bangkok. What?
The cat did not touch the car.
I thought this was going to be a rice bowl. It's like a rice plate. This stuff's going to be more expensive just because it's here. Do you need some of this? Paul could probably eat that. And then here's the ubiquitous gold shop. Grapes. All right, that's enough for the night. We're headed back to the hotel room. Still jet lagged, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. We're headed up to Ayutthaya and doing some elephant rides, and yeah, we'll see you on the next video.